Mr. Baldwin.
Hey, Miss Awad.
Want to talk about plate tectonics?
Thought you'd never ask. I'm looking forward to it.
Awesome. Hey, and look at all these guys are joining us today. This will be fun.
Hey, guys.
Hi, you guys. What are we going to talk about?
Well, today we're going to be talking about plate tectonics, and if you flip to the next slide, we should be able to see what you should be able to accomplish today. So, by the end of the segment, you should be able to identify pieces of evidence that support Alfred Wegener's continental drift hypothesis. Means you can indicate or point out what something is.
Okay. What kind of data are we going to look at?
Well, first things first, we're going to look at a little bit of GIS. Now, Miss Awad, you're the GIS expert. Could you give us a hint as to what this is?
Okay, so you guys are really going to want to take some notes here. So you might want to write GIS in your notes, and you also might want to note down that GIS stands for Geographic Information System. GIS, Geographic Information System.
Good to know.
Now, this GIS, or Geographic Information System, looks like it's laid out similarly to Google Earth. Over on the right side, there's what we're going to call the map layer. And this is where in Google Earth, you'd have the map of the world that you could zoom in and zoom out, right?
Absolutely.
And over on the left side, you've got the layers list. So for taking notes, you probably want to maybe make a little bracket down here and say map layer. And on the left side, you want to say layers list. In the layers list is where all the data is. And we can see for this particular map that we're looking at fossil distribution data. Which fossils are we going to be looking at, Mr. Baldwin?
Well, we're going to take a look at a fossil called Glossopteris. So we're going to draw little circles around all the green dots. So we've got a Glossopteris right in here in Australia. And we've got a Glossopteris here up in India, and in Madagascar, and Africa. Now, Miss Awad, do you know what a Glossopteris is?
You know, I think a Glossopteris is a plant, and I think it's similar to a fern.
You're absolutely right. Now, here's a question I have for you, Miss Awad. Do we really find ferns in Antarctica? Is that something that grows there right now?
I don't think so. I think it's too cold for ferns to grow there. What about South America? Would you expect to find